it's Krystal Everdeen, and today I'm going to be packing for a 3-day, 2-night stay at the Disneyland Hotel for the grand opening of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge! Woo! How epic is that? Honestly, I've never stayed at the Disneyland Hotel before, nor have I stayed at any hotel with just my friends, so this weekend is going to be filled with a lot of firsts. And I, for one, am both thrilled and terrified. But yeah, today I'm going to share with you what I'm going to be packing for this amazing weekend. Okay, so honestly, I never go, like, anywhere. So, I've never actually owned a suitcase before. But for this trip, you best believe I'm going to be trying to take as many Star Wars things as I possibly can. So I finally had a reason to purchase my very own suitcase for the very first time. And you'll never guess what it is. I'm just kidding, it's super obvious. It's a Star Wars suitcase! I know, I went really hardcore with the adulting on that one. But you know what? No regrets. This suitcase is super nice, it's perfectly sized, it's nerdy, it rolls around easily, and it's just perfection. I am in love. And it is extra perfect because my very first trip with this suitcase is going to be Star Wars related. So if that's not a sign that it was meant to be, I don't know what is. Alrighty, so on to the packing portion of this video, the most important part. Again, I don't know where to begin. So let's just make it up as we go along. I'm gonna start off with basics and essentials such as socks and underwear, regular socks, and Star Wars socks. I got these R2-D2 ones and these Darth Vader ones, pajamas, of course, and obviously I'm going to have a pair of Star Wars pajamas. I've actually had these since I was like in 7th grade, and you know what? I still love them wholeheartedly. Next up should be a toothbrush and toothpaste. And I actually have an electric toothbrush, so I also need to bring the charger because I do not want to find out that my toothbrush has died on the 3rd day and then I have to spend the day avoiding getting too close to people's faces. I'm also going to be packing my entire skincare routine because my skin is super sensitive. If I do not do my skincare routine or if I do something different to my skincare routine, it will be very angry and not great. And look at my skin right now. This is my actual skin, not just makeup, so you know that my skincare routine works and I'm not going to deviate from that. But if you're curious, my skincare routine consists of this Clean and Clear Scrub, Maro spray that you can get at Ulta, Burt's Bees Skin Protecting Serum, which also worked amazing wonders on my dark spots that I used to have on my cheeks, and this Shea Moisture 100% Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Overnight Face Oil. And I don't know if you would be, but if you happen to be interested in a full skincare routine, then let me know in the comments below. If you are interested, then I'll post a video, but if you're not interested and you don't comment, then I won't post it, and that's totally fine. It's all good. I'm also going to be packing my makeup, which is in this adorable Mickey Mouse makeup bag that I got for Christmas. A hairbrush, and ooh, I definitely for sure need to pack my own shampoo and conditioner because the little bottles of shampoo and conditioner that they're going to give us at the hotel, it's not going to cut it for my hair. I have way too much hair and I definitely need to pack my own, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take the whole bottle of shampoo and conditioner, just to be safe. And it's supposed to be beautiful weather this weekend, thank goodness gracious, because I always wanted to swim at the Disneyland Hotel pool, and that's what I'm definitely going to be doing this weekend, so I'm going to take the only 2 bathing suits that I have. Unfortunately, they're not Star Wars themed, but they are Disney themed. And speaking about being in the pool, I definitely want to take some sunblock. I prefer the spray-on kind as opposed to the lotion kind, just because you don't have to like rub it and worry about it not being even in certain spots. Plus it like clogs your pores and I hate that feeling. So that's why I go for the spray-on kind. If you're wondering how in the world are you packing all of these liquid bottles, well, that is because I live fairly close to Disneyland, about 45 minutes away, so I don't have to fly there, so I don't have to worry about TSA, just if you're wondering. But yeah, if you're packing for a Disneyland vacation, make sure that all of your liquids are TSA approved. Is that it for personal care and basics? I think so. So let's move on to the fun stuff, which are the outfits. So I've actually already been inside of Galaxy's Edge for an exclusive preview. Thank you so much, David, for bringing me as your +1 to the cast member only preview. I really, really appreciate it, and I had an absolute blast. You're the best. So yeah, I had the amazing opportunity to experience Galaxy's Edge 10 days before it officially opened on May 31st. And first of all, the hype is real. That land is amazing. And the reason I bring this up is because when I was there, I noticed that it was like you were actually transported into a different world. There was no Disneyland, no Disneyland employees, no Earth for that matter. It was completely immersive. And because of that, you don't wear shirts that say Star Wars on it. You are in the world of Star Wars. So you need to become someone or something that lives in that world. Or I mean, you don't have to, but that's just something that I want to do. So if you've been watching my videos or have been following me on Instagram, at Krystal Everdeen, by the way, you should totally follow me on Instagram. It's such a fun time. You may already be able to guess my first outfit. Yes, it is a Princess Leia outfit. My absolute favorite Star Wars character and hero of mine. Now they do actually sell the official Princess Leia outfits at Batuu, aka Galaxy's Edge, aka Star Wars Land, but it's like $150. And I'd rather not have the same exact outfit as 50 other people who decided to dress as Princess Leia. So I'm taking this outfit. It does deviate from her official outfit a little bit. There's no hood, no bell sleeves, other details like that, but it's close enough. It brings my style into it, yet still reflects the fact that I'm dressing as Princess Leia. So I'm taking it, and it's gonna be a blast. Now on the other side of it, I'm actually also planning on taking an all black outfit to represent Darth Vader, because I have this beautiful bag that I'm going to be taking, and I think that it definitely deserves its own outfit to go along with it. And because we'll only have access to Galaxy's Edge for one day, those are only two outfits that I'm going to take for Galaxy's Edge. But for the rest of the time that we're going to stay there, I'm going to be taking this Star Wars t-shirt, that Star Wars t-shirt, this Star Wars t-shirt, that Star Wars t-shirt, and this Star Wars t-shirt from Designed by Humans. And because I don't want to wear the same jeans with all of these shirts, I am going to also be taking a pair of shorts, a skirt, and another skirt. Just to spice things up and mix and match with the t-shirts. That way I could hopefully make the outfits a bit more interesting. I'm also going to be taking my trusty dusty denim jacket, which is actually not dusty, I just wanted something to rhyme with trusty. But yeah, I'm taking this just in case it gets cold. And a fun fact, I had actually meant to make this denim jacket into a Star Wars denim jacket, but I just have not had the time to do so. So stay tuned for a future DIY of me making a Star Wars denim jacket. Because it will happen. It will. Eventually. Okay, now for all the electronics, very, very important. I'm going to be taking my phone charger, my portable charger, the charger for my portable charger. All very important things that you cannot forget. My camera charger, my wand to do my hair, and finally, my trading pins, which are not electronics, but still something that I definitely need to pack. You never know when a pin you want to trade is going to pop up on a trading board and then you don't have your pins on you and you're just like, no, I really wanted that pin. You gotta be prepared. I think that might be it actually. Hopefully. Again, luckily I live only 45 minutes away, so if I really need something for my house, I can just go get it. And yes, I definitely need to take very important things like my wallet, my ID, my annual pass, sunglasses, and very small but essential things like that. But I already have all of those in my Star Wars bag. And like I said earlier, I'm going to be taking that with me. So yeah. And if you're interested in knowing what is inside my Star Wars bag, I did just post a What's in My Bag video featuring the beautiful Darth Vader convertible bag that I got from Harvey's. And the link to that video will be in the description box below. Well, that was a lot, but I thank you greatly for sticking around and watching the whole video. Holy cow. I am super duper excited for Galaxy's Edge, and I will be posting tons of Star Wars related videos and Disney videos in general, so stay tuned. And if you want to experience the weekend with me, be sure that you're following me on Instagram at Krystal Everdeen. I will be sharing tons of stories on there, so it's like you're with me. So again, it's at Krystal Everdeen. Be sure to give me a follow. It's a fun time. And if you enjoyed this video, found it interesting, entertaining, or helpful, please give it a big thumbs up before you go. And also don't forget to click that red subscribe button if you have not already, so I can see you next time. Bye! And may the Force be with you.